In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Display section. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on the blue switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. So when I do that, as you can see, auto rotation is off, but you can always switch it on by hitting the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and look for Lock Orientation shortcut. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is enabled. To disable it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!